Hello, I'm Melvina from Bombay Teachers Training College, and today I will be demonstrating a few science experiments. These demonstrations are being done as a part of Science Corner, the best practice of Bombay Teachers Training College.
My first demonstration is about domestic indicator, which brings us to the question,
so what is an indicator? An indicator is a substance that can change its color in the presence of acid or a base. One of the indicators that we can prepare at home is with the help of turmeric. Have a look at this. These are turmeric indicator strips. I will be using them to demonstrate you whether the substance that we are using is an acid or a base. So let us see the demonstration for the same.
Subscribe to my channel to know more about domestic indicators like turmeric, red rose and red cabbage.
To start with, I will take some amount of water in a glass. Now in this I will add washing soda.
Here I have used Surf Excel, but you may use any washing powder that is available at your home.
Here is a solution of water and washing powder. Now what I will do is I will use one of the indicator strips and dip it in this solution to see the color change. So, as you can observe that the turmeric indicator paper or turmeric indicator is yellow in color. But we will see now what will happen if I dip this indicator paper inside the solution. Well, can you all predict what color it will change to? Pink color, purple color, red color, maroon color, blue color or black color? Let us see now. Whoa! Can you see this? This demonstrates that the solution that we have is a basic solution. So, from this activity we can conclude that the turmeric paper or the turmeric indicator changes to red in a basic solution.
The application of turmeric as a pH indicator is that it can be used to determine which household chemicals are basic in nature.
Now we have learned that turmeric paper can be used to check whether a substance is basic. Okay friends, we'll move on to the next demonstration.
The second demonstration is about disappearing substances.
For this, again I'm taking a little bit of water. I'm adding some washing powder. Now I will add some turmeric to it. You can see that there is bluish color to the solution. Now can you just predict what will happen if I add a little bit of turmeric powder to this? Yes, you have predicted it right, because I have just shown you in a demonstration that the turmeric acts as an indicator, and when we add turmeric to a base, it will change its color to red. So let us see what happens.
After mixing, it is observed that the color of the solution has changed from light blue to red.
Wow! Can you see the beautiful color?
Now, for the next step, I will add vinegar to this solution. Can you guess what will happen if I add vinegar to this solution?
The color will change. The color won't change. Okay. The color will change to what color? Green, blue, orange. Let us see.
After adding vinegar to the solution of washing powder, the color has changed to yellow and red color has disappeared.
Can you see the color change? Wow, this is a beautiful color. You know that there was base inside this solution because we had added washing powder. But as soon as we added some vinegar, what has happened? The base seemed to be vanished. Let us confirm if there is any more base in it. For that, I will use a strip of turmeric paper. Can you predict what will happen if I add the turmeric paper in this solution? It will turn red. It will turn blue. Let's try. As you can see that the turmeric paper is not changing its color, which means that there is no more base in this solution. So, where did the base go? It's not there anymore. Well, the base reacted with the vinegar. As you know that washing soda is basic and vinegar is acidic in nature. When we add acid and base, it reacts with each other to form salt and water. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. So where can we apply this principle of neutralization reaction? You know that sometimes we may get problems related to acidity. In that case, you must be buying certain medicines from the market. These medicines are called as antacids. These are nothing but bases, and this base is specifically magnesium hydroxide. So the acid that has been produced in your stomach, that is hydrochloric acid, is being neutralized by this base, that is magnesium hydroxide. This is the application of neutralization reaction in our day-to-day life.
My third demonstration is volcano at home.
Friends, are you interested in making a volcano at home? I will show you how to do so. For this, you can take a vessel or a small box. You have to take vinegar. So I am pouring some vinegar in this empty vessel. I will add some food coloring to it. I will also add some liquid dishwash to it. Now I will mix it. Now it's time to prepare volcano.
I will add some baking soda. I suggest you add more vinegar to fill the bowl. Can you guess what will happen? Will the smoke rise? Will there be any color change? Let's see what happens.
Look at this beautiful volcano here. Can you see the effervescence? Yes, we are successful in making a volcano at home. You can try this by yourself and prepare a volcano of your own favorite color.